Hello, I'm Daniel Carvalho. I'm from Brazil, where we have a research group that studies the sounds of Amazon. It's basically ecoacoustic artificial intelligence project, where we basically record sound data from the rainforest, from Amazon forest and other forests in Brazil, in order to do analysis. This project, we have a team that is at Rondônia, in the edge of Amazon, where we have opportunity to pin those devices for recording there. It's a multidisciplinary team from business, biology, computing, and engineering, where we want to work with advanced computation in order to analyze this data recorded. We're basically going to work with low-cost devices. We want to do it with repurposed devices. We're going to work with the Raspberry Pi computers too, to prototype new devices. And at the same time, we're going to use some market-ready devices we can buy and set up then at the rainforest. Those devices, they are off-grid, of course. They will have battery, and some of them we can try to use some solar power to keep them working for a longer time. Devices that are going to be at the edge of the forest, the rainforest, we can connect by standard cell phone towers or by satellite to send the data online. In the cases where we're going to work disconnected, we can add SSD devices or memory in order to record and collect the data later. One important part of this project is to pin devices in the forest. For this kind of activity, the kind of field activity, we're going to have opportunity to talk to natives and people that live and work in the forest and use this data to enrich our more systematical computing research. We are using basically a data science process, using devices to collect the sound data and some sensors too, like humidity or vibration and other devices we have that they collect this kind of information. And then we can we work together with biologists, and so with the same data, we can analyze different aspects of the forest. We can see how the behavior of animals and plants and a lot of information from the forest by the sound. We can check human activity. We can work on specific species of animals, birds, insects, or stuff like that. We can count, for example, the amount of rain. And so there's a lot of information we can get from the same data we record, with different biologists are working together in partnership with other groups in South America or even in offshore activities. We can record data at the sea, for example, or rivers, for example. This is the basic idea from our research group. Collect the data, transfer the data online or offline, and then get this data and use a traditional data science process in order to analyze this data information and then create reports, papers, and publications in different kind of for different kind of proposals, from biological, what about biodiversity, ecodiversity, or improving our models and doing more math related publishing and discoveries on top of that. This field of ecoacoustics have been growing up a lot in recent years, applying more technology in order to understand what's going on in forest and bio environments. This is a long time project. It's something that we're gonna be doing every year on a year basis, and we would like to work with more teams and more people involved in different aspects, facing that we can use this data to look for different information from different knowledge, from different ideas. Thank you for watching this video.